Today's chili varieties have many different advantages that are highlighted. Chili varieties with the advantages of being resistant to the jaundice virus or tolerant to wilt disease are certainly a special attraction for chili farmers. In terms of profits obtained by the farmer, this can be made easier in terms of maintenance. Proper and routine care is very necessary to care for chili plants that are attacked by diseases such as yellow leaf disease, curly leaves, plants with results that are in line with my hopes of being able to cure chili leaves from these diseases. There are several things I want to convey in this video. Don't skip this video, watch it until the end. Those who are new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I will continue after this ad. Peace be upon you, and all His mercy and blessings. Back again, Petsaputra reviews information about plants and animal husbandry. In this video I will spray chili plants. There are several plants that are attacked by disease. And my chili plants were 17 days old after I planted them. And yesterday, on Sunday, I did the second fertilization on the 24th when the chilies were 14 days old. And today is March 27, 2024 at AM. And the age of this chili plant is 17 days after planting. From yesterday's fertilization. In yesterday's video, there were 3 types of fertilizer that I gave to this plant. Types of fertilizer during the growth period of chili plants. After 14 days of chili age, and today my chilies are 17 days old. Can be seen, there is a difference in the growth of my chili plants, starting from the large leaves. Possible, the nutrition in this chili plant is sufficient. And I also saw that the leaves were green, the stems were tall. You can see it's very good. The difference from when I first planted it until now is the difference. And there are several chili plants that suffer from yellow leaf virus and leaf curl disease. Maybe this can be resolved. And here are the cayenne pepper plants that are infected with yellow leaf disease. Several types of diseases such as anthracnose, fusarium wilt, stem rot, and chili plant leaf spots. This type of disease is caused by fungi such as bacteria and pest attacks. Some of these diseases tend to occur, especially in the rainy season. The trigger is that the acidity level of the soil increases so that bacteria and diseases like to attack this plant. This increase in soil pH acidity can arise due to rainwater and excessive use of nitrogen elements. Controlling pests such as fleas is the factor of viruses such as yellow leaf virus. The control steps I take are by spraying active ingredient insecticides such as abamectin and imidacloprid. I don't apply it too regularly to spray this chili plant. Tend to look at the condition of the cayenne pepper plants first, because my foundation was strong from the start, so I don't do curative steps with abamectin and insecticides too regularly. Application periodically until it completely stops its spread. I spray fungicide and abamectin as early as possible, namely before the plant is infected. When the attack is severe, the fungus will be difficult to control. When I spray fungicide and abamectin, I do it in the morning. The method is to spray all parts of the plant. If you want to control fungi that attack the roots, then use a fungicide which is applied by smearing it on the base of the stem or root area. And this is the plant that is attacked by disease. 6 stems of chili plants that are infected with disease. This means that the population of my cayenne pepper plants is 55 stems. Today I sprayed all the plants including this plant. And here are the ingredients for controlling pests and diseases. There is abamectin demolish 18, Procit or plant adhesive, and the insecticide Sidimecbo. These 3 types of materials are what I currently use for spraying my cayenne pepper plants. The use of abamectin demolish 18 EC is very effective in controlling pests such as fleas or acaricides, including thrips, aphids, and mites. Abamectin demolish 18 EC can be used to control brown planthopers and caterpillars. Continue next. There is Procit or plant adhesive. The use of Procit or plant adhesive is that it is easy to rinse, especially in the rainy season. Plant adhesive functions to stick pesticides to the surface of plants so that they last longer. This plant adhesive pesticide can last for 3 or 5 days in the rainy season. Only 20% of this plant adhesive pesticide can be absorbed by plants. And the last, Sitimecpo insecticide. Sitimecpo contact and gastric poison insecticide that can be emulated to control fleas and insects on chili plants. Has fast eradicating power, effective for controlling various types of pests that are easy to break down at low dosage. I have prepared the materials for spraying, 3 types of products that I use today. And let's start mixing abamectin and insecticide with plant adhesive. May the plants recover from disease. What I'm holding is a 2-liter water sprayer. The ingredients I mixed. I put it in this small spray tank, which is 2 liters. I think it is enough to spray chili plants with a mixture of 2 liters of water, a plant population of 55 stems. For the first ingredient, we mix abamectin demolish 18 EC. So I don't use measurements. I think it's about 2 liters of water. Second mixture, Procate or plant adhesive. Help spread, attach and evenly distribute the pesticide solution applied to plants. The final mixture, Sitimecpo insecticide. Once all the ingredients have been mixed, then I sprayed all the plants. It's not just plants that are attacked by disease that I spray, in anticipation of healthy plants. And this is the plant that I sprayed. Do not get infected by viruses or diseases. Maybe if I spray this, the plant will be free from disease. If the chili plant is attacked by disease, it will be difficult to treat, and the harvest will automatically fail. Pests or diseases prefer to attack young leaves. Therefore, when the foliage starts to age, the spray duration is only once a week. From the age of 10 days, it must be sprayed with insecticide regularly every 3 days. After that, don't forget to subscribe to my video, like and comment, so I can be enthusiastic about making content, so we can learn about plants together.